Great. Ready? I think you need a little more. There you go. Oh, there's one down. It goes right there. Turn down. His fault. It goes right there. Okay, ready? Ready? Are we ready? This is got new arrivals, guys. Ready, okay. Stop. Okay, headband. One headband. We have choices. We have number one. Let me put this out first. For a second, so you can choose number one. Let me show you. Red, purple, HK. Okay. One, option two, option three, option four, option five, and option six. Pink, red, okay, purple, three. One, two, and three. Good choice. Two, one, two pencils. One and two pens. Pencils, sorry, pencils. Two pencils. What's next? Stationery set. We'll do this. If you want to change any of this, please let me know. Bracelet! Oh my god. Alright, option one. Option two. Option three. Option four. Option five. Option six. This is good for money. And option 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two. That is so beautiful. Right, next one, notebook. 1, 2 notebooks. 1 and 2 note. 1 and 2 books. Notebooks. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snack bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snack bags. Snack bags. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. That is so cute. One stapler. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, 3. Love, thank you so much. 2. Pocha. Oh, pocha. So cute. 1, 2 highlighters. Pink and purple highlighters. Now we have 1, 2, 3. 3 hooks. 1, 2, and 3 hooks. Have 1, 2, 3 greeting cards. 1, 2, and 3. 3 greeting cards. Okay, now 1 and 2. Wow, hairbrushes. 1 and 2 hairbrushes. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, or 4. 3 and 4. Next, 1 band-aid. 1 band-aid. 1 or 2. Option 1, option 2. 1. Good choice. That's so cute. Now we have here 1, 2, this right, 1 cup and 1 air freshener. I'm sorry, I just looked all wrong. Option 1, option 2, or option 3. Okay, 2. 1, 2, 3, or 4. 2. Oh, that's so cute. That's my favorite. 1 and 2 bags. 1, option 2, or 3. 1, 2, or 3. 2 is good. You have to choose another one. So let me show you 1, 2, or 3. Very good choice. Okay, what's next? Stickers. Oh, my favorite. These are stickers for you. Next, 1, 2 bookmarks. 1 and 2 bookmarks. 1, 2, 3. There's no order again. I'm broke now. 1, 2, or 3. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. Good choice. These are so cute. And then next, tissue. I appreciate you, Destiny. I appreciate your orders. That was a tissue. Tissue. I love those tissues. Smells so good. Mirror. Mirror. We have options. So many options. So many options. Option 1. Option 2. Option. Let me review. Okay. Option 1. Option 2. Option 3. Option 4. Option 5. Okay. There's always next week, Destiny. Alright, then next one. Hair claw. Oh, my favorites. I love hair claw. 1. Option 2. Option 1. Option 2. And option 3. 1, 2, or 3. 3, please. Good choice. Excellent choice. And that is it. Alright, let's see how many items you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 435.